Hello guys, this is Onlybestones, and in this video I will talk about the what to look before buying a lens and top 3 best options available. So let's get started. When investing in a camera lens, several factors warrant careful consideration to ensure optimal photographic results. Firstly, assess the lens's focal length, as it directly impacts the field of view and magnification. Next, consider the aperture size for controlling depth of field and low light performance. A lower f number signifies a wider aperture. Compatibility with your camera body is vital. Verify the lens mount to guarantee it fits. Additionally, optical quality matters. Look for lenses with quality glass elements, coatings, and minimal distortion for sharper images. Image stabilization can be beneficial for handheld shooting in low light. Don't forget size, weight, and intended use. A versatile zoom lens suits various scenarios, while a prime lens offers exceptional image quality. Finally, budget is a critical factor. Balance desired features with cost. By evaluating focal length, aperture, compatibility, optical quality, stabilization, size, and budget, you'll make an informed decision when purchasing a camera lens. Top recommendation for best lens. On number 3, Irix 150mm f/2.8 macro. The Irix 150mm f/2.8 macro is an affordable yet high-quality third-party macro lens. It offers compatibility with various major camera brands and stands out with weather sealing, a rarity in its price range. The lens delivers sharp images, aided by its wide 2.8 aperture that creates pleasing background blur. Its extended focal length also allows for subject-background separation, making it suitable for portrait-like shots. On number 2, Canon EF 85mm f/1.4L is USM. The 85mm focal length, particularly when coupled with a wide aperture, offers a sought-after blend of compression and background blur for portraits. Among Canon's options, the 85mm f/1.4L lens excels with superior build quality and sharper images at its f/1.4 aperture compared to the newer f/1.2 model. Notably, the f/1.4 version is weather sealed, unlike the f/1.2. On number 1, Canon EF 70-300mm f/4-5.6 IS2 USM. Canon's EF 70-300mm zoom lens offers excellent value for its price. With strong image stabilization and sharp image quality throughout its zoom range, this telephoto lens stands out. Primarily designed for crop sensor cameras, it can function as a budget-friendly full-frame zoom when needed. Guys, this was the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Goodbye.